how to mark an item as sold on Craigslist. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to mark an item as sold on Craigslist. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. So if you guys want it, you can check out the Craigslist website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on the Craigslist website, you can log in your account by clicking the account button right here on the top right corner, and after you click that, it will redirect you to your dashboard. So as you can see, this is my dashboard, and below is my list of the posts that I made previously, so whether it's a item or not. So as you can see, this is how you can edit them. So you can click edit right here on the manage column, and after you click that, this page will appear with different options. And as you can see, there is no actually options that you can choose to mark your item as sold. So the only way to make your item mark as sold is by editing the post. So if you click edit post, you can actually change your item titles. Like, you can add on beside on the item name, you can add a sold text, so that when you publish it, all people that can see your post will know that your item is already sold. Then yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. So after you edit your post, you can just click publish, and that will automatically update your post. And yeah, that's it. That's how you mark your item as sold on Craigslist. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.